Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to the Freeze Command in Python. Introduction. When working on Python projects, managing dependencies is crucial for ensuring your code runs smoothly across different environments. One common tool used for this purpose is pip, Python's package installer. Alongside pip, there exists another handy tool called freeze, which generates a list of installed packages and their versions. This list can then be used to recreate the environment elsewhere, ensuring consistency across different systems. What is the freeze command? The freeze command in Python is used to list all installed packages and their respective versions. It generates a text file containing this information, commonly referred to as a requirements.txt file. This file is often used in combination with pip to recreate the exact Python environment on another machine. Using the freeze command. Let's walk through how to use the freeze command step by step. Step 1. Open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure you have Python installed on your system and that it's accessible from the command line. Step 2. Navigate to your project directory. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where your Python project is located. Step 3. Run the freeze command. Enter the following command in your terminal. This command instructs pip to generate a list of installed packages and their versions and save them to a file named requirements.txt in your project directory. Step 4. View the generated requirements.txt file. You can use a text editor or the cat command, on Unix-based systems, to view the contents of the generated file. Step 5. Understanding the requirements.txt file. The requirements.txt file will contain lines in the format package_name == version, where package_name is the name of the package and version is the version number installed in your environment. Step 6. Sharing and using requirements.txt. You can share the requirements.txt file with others who need to work on your project. They can then recreate the same environment by running. This command tells pip to install all the packages listed in the requirements.txt file, ensuring they have the same dependencies and versions as your environment. Example, using freeze command in a Python project. Suppose you have a Python project named my_project with some dependencies installed. Here's how you would use the freeze command. Share the requirements.txt file with your collaborators or store it in version control. To recreate the environment on another machine, someone else would navigate to the project directory and run. Conclusion. The freeze command in Python is a simple yet powerful tool for managing dependencies in your projects. By generating a requirements.txt file, you can ensure consistency across different environments and easily share your project's dependencies with collaborators. Mastering this command will streamline your development workflow and help you avoid compatibility issues caused by differing environments. ChatGPT